Welcome to Rhodes. Oh, I must have winter mode on. Let me change that. Much better now. Beautiful weather, beautiful roads. 2 years and 8 months we have lived in Rhodes, and we have avoided going to hospital or emergency room. But in last week it happened and we had to go to local hospital. Here's what happened. I was in my room updating my website, and the first time I put my headset on to listen some music. I usually don't listen music at all, but this time I put all the volume up and I was writing my web page. If you didn't know, you can go to my website and check what's new, because for the past month I have been writing from morning to evening a lot of information about roads and everything you need to know before you come here. And also I got my travel guide ready for 2026, so it is available in my store, so go check it out. But I was writing my information, blogs, articles and everything else, listening music. And something told me that I have to go to kitchen and make some coffee. Otherwise I would have missed it. So I went to the kitchen, talked with my wife. She was also working hard. And then we heard it. We heard that somebody is running in our garden around the house, because we have quite tall walls in our garden. It's like nobody can access this easily, and we have pebbles around the house. And what we heard was that somebody was running around the house. So we went outside to see. If you didn't know, we have two bunnies living freely. They don't live in a cage. And what we saw that our bunnies ran past us, and then the big dog followed the bunnies. And then the hunt began, because we had to catch the dog and to save our bunnies. So I was making like acrobatic moves, and my wife was also like other side of the house trying to catch the dog. And we managed to save our bunnies, but it cost us. Because when my wife grabbed the dog bite her in the hand, and it was bleeding really, really bad. I asked my wife, "Are you okay?" And the only reaction came from there was like, "Is bunnies okay?" When the situation was cooled down, we catch the bunnies, locked them up in a room. I want to mention that usually during the season we only see like 1 or 2 dogs on the island. So we have more cats than dogs here. But that was unusual and unexpected, because we have like lived calmly, and we didn't even expect this can happen. So the dog jumped over the fence and somehow started chasing our bunnies. When the situation was calm, we cleaned up. My wife fixed bite. It wasn't too bad, but it was still bleeding. And my wife remembered that you have to have, I think it's called a tetanus shot in English as well. The shot you have to make every 10 years to like avoid nerve damage and everything like that. And we realized that so much time has passed that the tetanus injection was like expired. So we had to come up with a plan to find a hospital. The nearest hospital for us is 4 kilometers in Gennady. And we don't have a car, and it's quite long walk. And also we only have 3 buses during day driving around during winter time. So I called my friend, and luckily he was just going to the airport, and he was able to come pick us up like 1 minute after the call. And we went to Gennady, and it's the first time we saw like a hospital or medical points in Rhodes and experienced them. We went to the private practice in medicine, and the staff was very welcoming. They looked us up right away. But we didn't have any insurance for my wife because she don't work in Greece. And after the checkup, we realized that we need antibiotics and also the 2 infection shots. And as my wife was not in insurance list, then the private medical point sent us to public hospital, which was also in Gennady. So we walked 1 kilometer to go to the public hospital where the ambulance is and everything like that. The house inside felt like it was built in 80s or something like that. It was really old, but the people there were really nice. And what happens next was that they wrote us some papers so we could go to Apotheka to buy the shots. We also had to buy the antibiotics because to get the infection out or prevent this. And this total visit to the hospital and get 2 shots, because one was for this situation and the other shot was to prevent it in the next 10 years. It overall cost us €8, but everything went well. Caitlin is already okay. But this was our first experience in hospitals in Rhodes. I can say that everything went smoothly. Yes, we had to wait a little bit and we had to run like one place to another and to Apotheka, buy the shots, go back to the hospital so somebody can make the injection. But yeah, we are alive, we are well, but this thing was really unexpected. And now on, interesting is that that day we saw 8 dogs walking towards us or past us. So we saw more dogs in one day than in 3 years. So it was like dog day or something. But yeah, for the past month I have been writing and working on my website because everything had to be updated, and also I made some many guides. So whatever you need, you will find everything on my website, from travel guides to beaches guides to whatever you need for your holiday. So go check it out. I will write many blog posts every day, like 1 to 10 at least. And I'm focusing my time to there because in the future, in 5 months or so, when the new season starts, then my webpage has to be ready so people can find me, that I exist. So go check it out, read. Quite comprehensive information there. You can find a lot of information. And soon I will start making another videos. I can't move around much because transportation is quite awful and my scooter needs a tire replacement, but they don't sell any Torx like screwers in here, so I had to ask from my dad from Estonia to send me with the package they are sending us for the Christmas. We are really waiting for Christmas. Our Christmas tree is up from 1st of November. All the presents are also packed, and we are waiting for our Christmas tradition, which is watching The Hobbit and Lord of the Rings non-stop without sleeping. That is what we do every year during Christmas to avoid going anywhere, to avoid overeating. This is our tradition, watching Hobbit and Lord of the Rings 3 days in a row without interruptions. So we are looking forward for this, and we are already playing Christmas songs. So let me know, are you already prepared for your Christmases, or you try to avoid it at any cost? We are ready. Weather is beautiful. This year we only had one storm so far, but in 3 days we will have a storm coming for a week. So when it's not storm outside, I will make another videos, because you are starting to plan your vacations already in Rhodos. So I want to help you with that, and I will give you all the info you need for your perfect holidays. Meanwhile, stay strong, enjoy Christmas, and see you soon.